Today we celebrate the feast of Pesach, Passover. And Moshe Rabbeinu, Moses our teacher, tells us in the book of Shemot 13:3, remember this day when you went out of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. For with a mighty hand the Lord took you out of here, and therefore no leaven shall be eaten. Today you are going out in the month of spring. There is so much to say about this verse, but I want to focus on the first commandment given to the Hebrews as a nation in Mizraim. They were commanded to create a calendar based on the cycle of the moon. Let's zoom in on the moon and look at an insight and then a profound lesson. The insight first. In Genesis 1:16, we are told that God made two great luminaries. The great luminary to rule the day and then the lesser luminary to rule the night, and then he created the stars. There is a bit of a contradiction here. If they are two great luminaries, why is one great and one less? This question seems silly till you pay attention to the word two in the Hebrew, sheneh. Sheneh is two in Hebrew. Sheneim is also two in Hebrew. So when do you use sheneh and when do you use sheneim? When sheneim is used, it denotes a number. But when sheneh is used, it denotes a number, but the items has to be identical. In Genesis 1:16, sheneh is used, which tells us that the moon and the sun were identical. That is why Yeshayahu, Isaiah, tells us that in the Messianic age, the moon will be restored, and the light of the moon shall be like the light of the sun. This is why the sages say the sun and moon were created equal, but the moon was made smaller. Why is that? That is another topic to discuss. Now the lesson about the moon. When you look at the verse, the sun and the moon are the only two great luminaries. They are the only ones called great. The stars are not given any corresponding titles. This omission is especially surprising given that most stars are larger than the moon. That is true, but the reference to great here is not to size, but to the benefit provided. The stars' huge distance from Earth, their physical size notwithstanding, severely reduces the amount of light they provide the Earth. Despite being smaller than the stars, the moon deserves the title Great Luminary because of the profound and positive impact it has on Earth. This is a crucial lesson for us to consider. Real greatness is measured not by strength, wealth, or intelligence, but by using our abilities to shine and make a difference in the world. Providing light where there was previously none is what transforms a person from being merely a star into a luminary. May we be a light to the nations as we celebrate the feast of Pesach.